Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class and we are doing lesson number 10, useful animals, revision number 2. Okay, yesterday I gave you revision number 1 of chapter 10 and I hope you all have completed your revision 1 in your revision copies. Those who have not completed, children, please, it's a request that complete all your revision work in your revision notebooks and start learning all your work also. Okay, very soon, again and again I am telling you that very soon we will be having our midterm exams, and then all your marks will be added. Your unit test marks which you gave sometimes before, that will be added, and your marks for notebooks will be also added. So 10 marks are there for your notebooks, so please maintain your notebooks nicely. Okay, prepare revision copy separately and do all the revision work of all subjects in that one copy only. Is that clear? So starting with chapter number 10, revision number 2. Now today we are going to do revision 2 of this chapter, and in your revision copies, as you all know, that you will write down today's date. Okay, then you will give the heading, and then next heading you will give revision 2 and number 1, fill in the blanks. Now the first fill in the blank is farm and pet animals are called dash animals. फार्म के एनिमल्स और पेट एनिमल्स को हम कौन सा एनिमल्स बोलते हैं? डोमेस्टिक, DOMESTIC, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. इज दैट क्लियर? We make dash butter and cheese from milk. Milk से हम क्या क्या बनाते हैं? Curd, CURD, curd. What is curd, children? Curd is dahi. Butter, okay, and cheese from milk. Number 3 is we get dash and wax from bees. Bees से हमें wax और क्या मिलता है? Very common thing, that is honey, 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 and in Hindi honey is shahad. Okay, now the fourth fill in the blank is leather is used to make shoes, bags, belts and purses. LEATHER, leather. Leather is used to make shoes, bags, belts and purses. And children, do you all remember from where we get the leather? We get leather from the dead skin, from the skin of dead animals. ओके, एंड एनिमल्स कौन कौन से होते हैं जिनसे हमें लेदर मिलता है? बफलो, स्नेक, कैमल एंड crocodiles. Okay, 4 animals were mentioned in your book. They were buffalo, camel, crocodile and snake. We get leather from these 4 animals. Okay, now the 5th part is animals need our dash and love. एनिमल्स को हमें कैसे ट्रीट करना चाहिए? उनको क्या देना चाहिए? बहुत केयर, उनकी हमें देखभाल अच्छे से करनी चाहिए और उन्हें बहुत प्यार देना चाहिए. ओके, एनिमल्स नीड आवर केयर एंड लव. इज दैट क्लियर? सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकेंड पार्ट, दैट इज नेम द फॉलोइंग. Okay, here I will write one sentence and you have to name that. What are these things made from, or what do these things give us? Okay, so name the following. Birds like duck, goose and hen gives us eggs. Duck, goose और hen जो birds होते हैं उनसे हमें क्या मिलता है? Eggs. Okay, second is candles and polish are made from. Candles और polish किससे बने होते हैं? Wax, WAX, wax. Shoes, bags, belts and purses are made from. ये सारी चीज़ें किससे बनी होती है? Leather, LEATHER, leather. Fourth one is animals that carry things for us are called dash. जो एनिमल्स हमारे लिए हमारी चीज़ों को कैरी करते हैं फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, उनको हमने क्या नाम दिया है? बीस्ट्स ऑफ बर्डन. ओके, हमारा बर्डन जो उठाते हैं, जो हमारी चीज़ों को कैरी करके एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाते हैं एनिमल्स, उनको क्या बोला गया है? बीस्ट्स ऑफ बर्डन. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट पार्ट इज डॉक्टर हु ट्रीट्स एनिमल्स. जो एनिमल्स को ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं डॉक्टर, उनको क्या बोला जाता है? वेटरनरी. VETERINARY, वेटरनरी. ओके, The doctors who treat animals are called veterinary doctors. Is that clear? Coming to the third part, that is true or false. Okay, now here I will give you some sentences and you have to tell that if they are true or they are false. Okay, first one is animals give us milk, eggs and meat. Animal से हमें milk, eggs और meat मिलता है. Is it true or false? Yes, this is true. So you will write TRUE, true. Okay, second, sheep gives us leather. क्या हमें sheep से leather मिलता है? Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. FALSE, false. sheep से हमें wool मिलता है और leather हमें किससे मिलता है? Animals, dead animals की skin से. Okay, and who are those animals from which we get leather? The animals from which we get leather are buffaloes, camels, snakes and crocodiles. Okay, now the third one, we should take proper care of animals. हमें अपने animals की proper care करना चाहिए. So this is true. TRUE, true. Horses carry logs. क्या horses logs carry करते हैं? Is it true or false? It is false. FALSE, false. Horses never carry logs. Logs को कौन carry करता है? Elephants. Okay, big animals like very big animal is elephant, so elephant carry big logs. Okay, and horses pulls the tongas. Is that clear? Now coming to the last part, fifth part, pet animals give us joy and safety. Pet animals जो हम घर में रखते हैं उनसे हमें joy means happiness, खुशी मिलती है और हम safe रहते हैं, हमें वो safety देते हैं. So is it true or false? Yes, this is true. So you will write TRUE, true. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood the true false. Once again I'm repeating. First one is animals give us milk, eggs and meat. This is true. Second is sheep gives us leather. This is false. Third one is we should take proper care of animals. This is true. Fourth one is horses carry logs. This is false. And the fifth last sentence is pet animals give us joy and safety. This is true. Okay, I hope you all have understood true or false. Now coming to the fourth part, that is give two examples of the following. Here what you have to do, I will give one sentence, okay, and you have to give two examples of each sentence. Okay, now first one is animals that give us milk. वो animals के नाम बताने जिससे हमें milk मिलता है. So two animals, cow and buffalo. COW, cow, BUFFALO, buffalo. Is that clear? Second, animals that give us eggs, जिनसे हमें eggs मिलते हैं. So two animals that from which we get eggs, duck and hen. DUCK, duck, HEN, hen. Third one is animals that give us leather, जिनसे हमें leather मिलता है. So there were four animals in your book. You can write any two. Okay, I have written snake and buffalo. You can also write crocodile. You can also write camel. Okay, so snake and buffalo. Fourth one is pet animals. Name of two pet animals, dog, cat, parrot. You can write anything. Okay, so I have written for pet animals two examples which I have written are dog and cat. Is that clear? Now coming to the fifth question, that is animals that carry things for us. वो two animals के नाम लिखने हैं जो हमारे लिए चीज़ों को कैरी करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, from one place to another. So those two animals are horse and bullocks. HORSE, horse, BULLOCKS, bullocks. Okay, now the sixth one is things that we get from bees. Bees से हमें two things कौन सी मिलती हैं? We get honey, 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 and wax, WAX, wax. Now the seventh one is things made from leather. Leather से two चीज़ें कौन सी बनती है? Shoes and bags. You can also write purse, belts, anything. There were four examples in your book. You can write any two. So I have written shoes and bags. SHOES, shoes, BAGS, bags. Eighth one is things made from silk. कौन सी दो चीज़ें सिल्क से बनी होती हैं? यू हैव टू गिव टू एग्जाम्पल्स. आई हैव रिटन साड़ीज एंड ड्रेसेस. SAREES, sarees, and DRESSES, dresses. Is that clear, children? Coming to the fifth part, That is the last part, children, of this revision 2. This is question answers. Okay, I will explain you the question answers with answers, and after that in the assignment I will not write the answers. You will write on your own. Okay, so the first question is, name the food that we get from animals. Answer is, we get milk, meat, eggs and honey from animals. क्वेश्चन वॉज आस्किंग दैट हमें उन फूड के नाम बताने हैं जो हमें एनिमल्स से मिलते हैं. सो द आंसर इज वी गेट मिल्क, मीट, एग्स एंड हनी. ये चीज़ें हमें एनिमल्स से मिलती है. कमिंग टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, नेम द एनिमल्स दैट गार्ड्स आवर हाउस. कौन सा एक एनिमल ऐसा है जो हमारे घर का गार्ड करता है, घर की रखवाली करता है. सो दैट इज डॉग. सो द आंसर इज डॉग्स गार्ड्स आवर हाउसेस. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज सिल्क यूज्ड फॉर. सिल्क किस लिए यूज होता है. सो द आंसर इज सिल्क इज यूज टू मेक क्लोथ्स. यू ऑल नो दैट सिल्क के क्लोथ्स बनते हैं, सिल्क के कपड़े होते हैं. सिल्क साड़ी, यू मस्ट हैव सीन योर मदर्स वेयरिंग सिल्क साड़ी. सो silk is used to make clothes. Now coming to the last two questions. Number fourth question is, why do we keep pets. हम लोग घर में pets क्यों रखते हैं. So the answer is, we keep pets because they give us joy and safety. हम लोग pets इसलिए रखते हैं घर में because हमें उनसे खुशी मिलती है, हम उनके साथ खेलते हैं, और they also keep us safe. They guard our house. Okay, so we get safety also. So the answer is, we keep pets because they give us joy and safety. Is that clear? Now coming to the last question answer, that is, what are beasts of burden. Beast of burden किसको नाम दिया गया है. So the answer is, animals that carry us or carry things for us are called beasts of burden. जो animals हमारी चीज़ों को carry करते हैं या हमें carry करते हैं एक place से दूसरी place पे, उनको हमने beast of burden का नाम दिया है. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood revision 2 of this chapter number 10, useful animals. Now please, children, it's a request that you have 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, so you can complete your work. You can also learn this. Okay, please start learning all your work, because very soon we will start with our midterm examination. Okay, you will be informed about the midterm examinations, so please be prepared for your exams and complete all your work. And again, children, I am telling you that make a proper separate revision copy for all your revision work, because this revision work is very important for you all. Okay, and one more important thing is that get your copies corrected, all your copies corrected. Okay, because your copies will carry marks of 10. 10 marks will be for your assignment work, that is your copy work. So your copies should be properly maintained, they should be covered, they should have the work, in that copies your work should be all complete, and your work should be very neat and clean without any mistakes. Okay, so get your copies corrected, and as you know, the copy correction time for you all is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. Okay, you can come to school and get your copies corrected. So till my next video, children, please complete revision 2 of this chapter, and it's time for me to leave. So bye bye, take care, stay at home, children, and stay safe.